and I am back again. I'm back because I am really excited. I've recently just got some new hair, and I've been looking at this company for a while, been wanting to try it out, and finally I have, and I can say I'm really satisfied. What I got today is I got me a full lace wig, and you guys know last week I was all excited about that lace frontal, but this time I got me a full lace wig, went all the way through. So if anybody's not familiar, a full lace wig is a wig basically you can part in the middle, you can part here, you can part it anywhere, and it still looks realistic as if it's coming out your scalp. So it's basically just a bump up from the frontal. I actually got this wig from is Dyhair777, and you can check them out on www.dyhair777.com. They are freaking amazing. And when I say they're freaking amazing, like, this is probably one of the best companies I've worked with. First things first, shipping of the hair did not take that long. I ordered it Tuesday. It was here by Friday, which is extremely fast for hair. One thing that stood out about this company to me is the presentation. The presentation was amazing. Like, this is what the hair came in, and it just came in your regular bag postal, but this is how the hair came, and I'm like, this is so freaking cute. It's like a little tote bag of hair. Like, let's say you want to get your hair done or something, you don't even have to be having your hair all out. You can have it in this little bag, and it's actually really cute to tote around. Inside the bag was my wig, but I've already removed my wig from out of the bag. And they also sent in a hair care card that tells you how to take care of your hair, and they actually sent me some lashes. This is the full lace wig. So freaking pretty, so freaking nice. And you can see it comes with the lace all the way around the perimeter, except for right here and here, but here's the lace again as well. And like I said, this is just like the frontal I got. This is me turning it inside out, and this is the lace in the front. You get one comb here, you get two combs on each side, you get drawstrings back here, and you also get a comb back here, which is pretty dope. And like I said, here's the lace here for you to put your hair in a ponytail. Finally a way to put your hair up in a high top ponytail. So I was really excited, and I've got my hair braided. It's extremely flat to my head so it could fit. So I was you guys know I'm really excited. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my head just so you guys can see. So you guys can just see how realistic this hair is. Comb got my way. Okay. So yeah. And it has the baby hairs. I don't know, me personally, I'm not too fond of baby hairs, so normally I just cut them off of my units, but who knows, I might try something different for you guys now. And right now, as you can see, I just used my brush, and you can see how definite that parting is. Like, this is no joke, you guys, at all. I'm so excited to put this on and show you guys. Now, I haven't cut the lace off yet, because I'm just showing you guys the unboxing of this hair. And like I said, it extends from ear to ear, so it does fit me perfectly ear to ear, and it does fit the back of my head. And as you can see, like, this is freaking queen bossy boots of the wigs. Like, the parting is impeccable, and it looks so freaking realistic. Like, I cannot wait. Like, this can be so versatile. And a great thing about this, you guys, is that I do have my own coupon code. So if you did want to purchase this wig, you can get $10 off. And I have my coupon code listed somewhere here, because the coupon code is numbers. It's not like my name or some letters this time, but it will be numbers that you put in at the checkout. First things first is this is the 1B color, and this is the top quality virgin human hair straight hair full lace wig. And yeah, this is the human hair lace wig. So one thing about it is, when I was picking the cap size, I did measure my head, and I was thinking, oh my god, I'm gonna need a large because my head is big and I have a lot of hair. So when I'm putting the wig on, I don't want it to be like off my head or falling off. So with me, for the cap size, I ended up getting a medium cap size, and it worked perfectly fine. Like, the medium cap size like fits perfectly. Like, I'm glad I didn't get a small, and I'm glad I didn't get a large, because either one would have been too severely wrong, because this is like perfect for my head. And I think this is the typical cap size, but you still can measure your head just to make sure. And also, when measuring, please keep in consideration your hair, because how thick your hair is, how much it's gonna bunch out. That's what you need to worry about. Another thing about this hair is this is 22 inches, so it's not really that long, but it is long for me, because normally, you guys know, I'm used to 26, 28, 30 inches. But this isn't bad. I actually like it. It's just a really, really different look for me. And it comes like right below my boobs, so it gives me a more natural look. Far as density, the hair is pretty, I don't know how to explain it. Like, when you look at it, you might think it's thin, but it actually doesn't feel thin to me. This is me twisting it, and this is the twist of it. But it actually looks pretty good. Like, this is all the hair brushed forward. So it's pretty good size for me. I mean, it's not all that thick that I'm used to. But, of course, this is a wig, so, yeah, keep that in consideration. But this is all the hair brushed forward. But it seems like it's a pretty good density. It doesn't seem like it's too thick or too thin at all. Because you guys know I do not play that thin hair. But this is pretty good for me. And if you want your part to be defined, of course, you can just always use concealer, of course. But yeah, I'm excited to see what's to come for this wig, and I can't wait to freaking curl it. But yeah, everything looks so natural. And just so you guys know, see it? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, basically, I guess this tutorial on how to install a full lace wig. Now, I didn't show you guys how I installed the back, just because I had to do that off camera. But yeah, this is what I got going on so far. So I'm excited, and I'll be sure to give you guys an update on this pretty soon, just because I know you guys are going to be anticipating on it. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.